Okay, in this example, we want to find the unknown angle measures. We're trying to find angle X. We're trying to find angle Y. Okay, it's a little tricky. Notice that these two lines right here are parallel lines, aren't they? Well, here's the important fact. When you have, well, let me put it this way. Z angles is what I call them. Z angles, technically they're called alternate interior. Z angles are always equal. Now, what do I mean by Z angles? Let me show. If you make a Z here, forward, or well, that wasn't so good. Forwards or backwards. You have an angle right there and right there. See those two angles the Z makes? Or right here, right here? They are always equal. This one and this one, or that one and that one, they're equal. They're always equal to each other. Z angles called alternate interior. So anytime you see, and they're called alternate interior because for this line, they're on alternate sides of the line, opposite sides of the line, and they're both interior. They're inside of these two parallel lines. They're not out here outside. They're inside. So they're alternate interior angles. Same thing here. You have this guy, these two parallel lines. These are on opposite sides of the transversal, and they're interior, alternate interior angles. They're called Z. I just think of them as Z. They're Z angles, forward or backward. You can do forward or backward Z, either way. So let's look at our diagram here. Do you see it? We have a Z, boom, boom, boom. There's our Z, which means this angle and this angle must be equal. This guy and that guy must be equal. So Y has got to be 53. 53, just because those guys are equal. In fact, let me just back this up a little bit. Let me just do it like this. Right there. 53. 53. It's got to be the same thing. They're Z angles. They're equal. Okay, so that's the first fact. And then the second fact, that's fact number 1 there. Z angles are always equal. And then fact number 2 is the 3 angles in a triangle total 180. So that means the X, the Y, which is 53, and that one total 180. So I can find X, the one that's missing, by 180 minus the other 2, minus the 68, minus the, instead of Y, I'm going to put 53 because I know this one's 53. So X is, then choose your calculator, whatever that is. I'm getting 59. So X is 59.